Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The MacBook Pro is about to get its biggest power boost yet, but is it worth the upgrade? Today we're talking about the M5 MacBook Pro release date, price, old display leaks, and 10 game-changing features. You need to know? Introduction: Apple's MacBook Pro lineup is entering a new era. The M5 chip promises faster performance, better efficiency, and possibly new connectivity standards like Wi-Fi 7 and Thunderbolt 5. Rumors are heating up about a late 2025 or early 2026 launch, and while the design may look familiar, the inside could be an entirely different beast. Leaks and rumors: here's what's making waves in the Apple leak community. M5 chip built on TSMC's advanced N3P process. It's offering 15 to 30% faster speeds over the M4.10 core CPU, 12-core GPU for extreme multitasking and creative workflows. Base 16GB RAM with options up to 32GB. Possibly 64GB on high-end comms. 1TB starting storage in some rumors. Wi-Fi 7 and Thunderbolt 5 for next-gen connectivity. Advanced AI processing for faster machine learning tasks. Improved FaceTime camera and better low-light video calls. Old display leak: while most sources claim old screens are coming in the M6 MacBook Pro around 2026. New whispers suggest Apple could test limited old panels in late 2025 models. If true, this would bring richer colors, deeper blacks, and even longer battery life. However, supply chain insiders warn that it might be exclusive to the 16-inch M5 Max model, if it happens at all. Release date and price originally expected in October 2025. Recent Bloomberg reports now hint at an early 2026 debut to align with Apple's next big product refresh. Price predictions: 14-inch M5 Pro, $1,599. Starting price: 16-inch M5 Pro, $2,499. The starting price M5 Max configurations: $3,499. Plus 4 maxed out specs. 10 rumored features. 1. M5 chip with 30% performance boost. 2. 10-core CPU, 12-core GPU. 3. Wi-Fi 7. 4. Thunderbolt 5.5. Base 1 TB SSD. On some models, 16. 32GB RAM options. 7. Advanced AI and ML processing. 8. Improved FaceTime camera. 9. Old display. On select models, possible 10. Same design with minor tweaks. Should you wait or upgrade? If you need raw power now, the M5 MacBook Pro will be a beast. But if you want old displays, a thinner chassis, and major design changes, the M6 in 2026 might be worth holding out for. It's a classic Apple dilemma: performance today versus innovation tomorrow. So, what do you think is the M5 MacBook Pro worth? The hype? Or will you wait for the M6? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if you love Apple leaks. And subscribe for more insider updates before launch day. The M5 era is coming, and we're just getting started.